Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with NatWest Invest Review My Usage Experience. NatWest Invest Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing your investments held with NatWest. It's primarily aimed at NatWest customers who want to track their investment performance and portfolio composition. Key features likely include portfolio summaries, performance charts, and potentially transaction history. Their website provides details on the specific features available. Their website provides details on the service and its capabilities. The benefit is clear access to your investment data within the NatWest ecosystem. It claims to offer a user-friendly interface for managing and monitoring investments, although it doesn't directly compete with dedicated investment management platforms offering broader functionality. Availability is limited to existing NatWest investment account holders. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using NatWest Invest Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. It was already linked to my online banking, so accessing it was simply a matter of logging in. Navigating the interface was intuitive enough. I particularly appreciated the clear visual representation of my portfolio allocation, a simple pie chart showing the percentage breakdown of my investments. The performance charts were easy to understand, giving me a clear picture of my investment growth or loss over different time periods. I found the information updated regularly, usually within a day of any transactions. I had a quick question about a specific transaction, and their customer support responded within 2 business days via email, which I thought was reasonable. A pro was definitely the ease of accessing key data, all from one place. One minor drawback was the lack of more detailed analytical tools, but for a simple overview, it worked perfectly. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with NatWest Invest Review My Usage Experience. It's not revolutionary, but it effectively meets my needs for a quick check-in on my investments. That's my overview of NatWest Invest Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.